Hey guys, what is going on? If you do not know who I am by now, I'm That Orange GT, and today I am super excited because my Supercharger has finally arrived after waiting for almost 2 months. I mean, I can't tell you guys when I ordered this. I think I ordered it back in like December 5th or somewhere around that time period, but besides the point, finally arrived. I'm in my car, just got home, and I see these packages waiting for me with the Supercharger in it, and my first thought is, how the hell am I gonna get these boxes in my car? But I'm gonna worry about that later on. Let me see if I can get to these boxes and show you guys what the Supercharger looks like. So with the car behind me, look at these things. Like, this is honestly a lot bigger than I thought it would ever look like, but geez, it's gonna be the struggle honestly picking these up. I think it said it weighs like 150 pounds or something like that, so it should be pretty interesting getting these open. So just moved the boxes inside the house, and it actually took a little bit to get inside of here because like I said, it does weigh a lot, so I had to get some help to do that. The boxes are right behind me, and there hasn't been one unboxing of a Whipple Supercharger I think I've seen on the internet, so this is going to be the first one that I've seen. But before I jump into this, I want to show you guys something else that I purchased, which is right over here, and that's going to be, I guess, this inlet sound tube kit for the Whipple Supercharger, which is going to increase the whine of the car. So I'm super excited to put this on there. This is just going to be like this tube, and there's a couple like installed bits for it, and this is going to be pretty crazy because I think it's going to increase the sound of the Whipple a lot. That's one of the main reasons why I got this kit, was for the sound of the Whipple alone. I mean, the whine of any Supercharger just sounds crazy, and that's one of the main reasons why I went with a Supercharger, and hopefully the sound doesn't disappoint. But that being said, I have the boxes behind me. Let's hop right into the unboxing. So just managed to open up the first box, and I just want to say that my first comment on this is, I was like, the packaging on this is absolutely insane. Like, this is all foam, and this is a really big piece of foam as well. And I think this box actually contains the actual Supercharger. So I think that's it, guys. I think this is the daddy itself. So let me try and go ahead and pull this out and see what we're working with here, because this does weigh a shit ton. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys after I pull it out. So just pulled all the wrapping paper off. There it is, and here is the beast itself. 3.0 Whipple Supercharger, and I can't believe I finally got it in. This looks absolutely killer. And let me just say, I tried to pick it out of this box, and I'm not going to, because this weighs an absolute shit ton, and I'm just gonna leave it there so nothing happens to it, and hopefully I can get this installed very quickly. But that's one of the boxes. This is a Supercharger by itself, and as you can see, it looks absolutely fantastic. And I think it's gonna look really killer underneath the hood of my car. So yeah, and this is honestly not the only package I've coming today. Hopefully my other package comes in pretty quickly so I can get that on video, but if not, I'll make that a totally separate video. But yeah, as you can tell, I'm super excited about this, because this is like something I've been really wanting to put on my car for a super long time, and finally achieved it. And yeah, I mean, hopefully I can get this installed pretty quickly. But yeah, let's hop into the second box and see what's in there. So just ripped open this box, and without going too further into the box, I guess, right here we have all the stuff for the cold air intake, and we have actually the intake right here, and this is pretty massive, if I do say so myself. So and I guess this is all the install hardware and stuff like that, all the different hoses. So I guess this box has the Supercharger in it, and then this box has all the necessary stuff to install the Supercharger. And yeah, I mean, that's gonna be pretty much it for, I guess, the unboxing of this kit. Like I said before, I'm gonna be doing so much videos with this Supercharger, and I actually have a couple more videos planned with my NA Mustang before I put on the Supercharger. I'm gonna be doing some wide open throttle pulls and getting my reactions on that compared to the Whipple. That's gonna be the next video I post, maybe even tomorrow. So look out for that video coming really soon. If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below. Like I said, there's going to be so much videos going to be posted up about the next couple of weeks. You guys are not going to want to miss what's coming. So if all this being said, guys, hope you guys subscribe down below, and I'll talk to you guys next video.